Hello, everyone. So there is breaking news, good news, great news. This is news that you're really going to love. I'm personally very excited about this news because I'm currently working, for some of my subscribers to move down to Germany. I've had two subscribers move down to Germany in the past month, one from Ghana and one from Nigeria, and they got jobs from their countries, right? They got jobs from Ghana, got jobs from Nigeria, and then moved down to Germany. They are currently working in Germany, and I know what they had to go through, right, to get those jobs and move down to Germany. So hearing this is really good news for me because I have a lot of people that are currently working on moving to Germany, and this just makes the process easier and faster for all of us. All right. So the German government has just passed an immigration law reform that makes it easier. They've reduced the requirements for the work visas, making it easier for foreign workers to move down to Germany to work. So this is really good news. So in this video, I'm going to break it down to let you know what this means for you that is planning to move down to Germany to work. So on this new law reform, you don't need a job offer to move down to Germany to work. You can move down and work without a work visa, without a work permit, right? And this is so amazing. And they're also looking for people that want to move down with their families as well, right? So Germany has really been losing out in getting foreign workers in the past months, in the past year, because other countries around them, have been easing their requirements and taking up so many foreign workers, right, that should be going to Germany. And Germany doesn't want to lose out on attracting foreign workers to the country because there is a very major, aging population in Germany, and they feel like they need young people, young professionals to move into the country, and they've been losing out because of how tough it's been for employers in Germany to hire foreign workers. So they are coming up with this to just make it more easy, move into Germany without a work permit, move into Germany without a job offer, without a degree. I mean, this is really amazing. There's a whole lot of information here that you really love to hear. So just stick with me till the end so you can get all the information. We are just meeting. If this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and I really love having you here with me today. So let me know in the comment section if you're watching me for the first time. I have something special for you. So please drop a comment. Let me know if this is your first time on my channel. So do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos that will help you in your relocation journey. I share a lot of videos on how to relocate to several countries like the UK, Netherlands, Australia, Canada, the US, so many countries, right? I have all that on my channel, and I keep updating my channel every day. So do subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Your support has been massive. I truly appreciate you. Your likes, your comments, your shares, it all means the world to me. Thank you for your support. And if you want to talk to me privately, you can send me an email, send me a DM on Instagram. Let's get to talk about how to get you to your destination country, all right? Okay, so yesterday, June 23rd, 2023, the German parliament signed reforms for the skilled work immigration law. It has been reduced. A whole lot of changes has been made. So now moving to Germany has just gotten easier. So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through the news report of everything that you should expect with these immigration law reforms, all right? So this news report by Germany's biggest paper says the German parliament has passed legislation to open up new opportunities for job seekers from countries outside the EU and for many refugees who are already in the country. Conservative lawmakers are up in arms. So not only does this apply to foreign workers that are outside of Germany, if you're in Germany currently seeking asylum, if you're a refugee in Germany, you can also jump on this. Like, this is really, really amazing. The Bundestag, that is the parliament, the German parliament, on Friday, June 23, finally passed a new immigration law reform designed to encourage more people from outside the European Union to come to Germany for work. This draft law secures prosperity in Germany, the Interior Minister Nancy Faeser of the center-left Social Democrats said as she presented the government's plan in the chamber in the morning, though she added that it will only work if the bureaucratic hurdles were dismantled during its implementation. She said it is unacceptable that you have to fill in 17 different applications to bring a new care worker into the country. Now, many of you don't know what employers go through to hire foreign workers. So, like she has said here, they have to fill out 17 different applications. So, when you see many employers refusing to hire from overseas, it's not like they don't want you to come work for them. It's because of all they have to go through to hire someone from overseas. So now the parliament is reducing all the work, all the paperwork, all the applications, all the bureaucracy that the employers have to go through to employ foreign workers. So they are going to make it easier for them to hire foreign workers, and this will encourage them to hire foreign workers as well. So the truth is there is labor shortage. That is just the truth. And when you hear there's labor shortage and you're wondering why are they not hiring from outside, it's because of things like this. The work behind the scenes is a lot for the employers. So this is a welcome development. The government is trying to make it easier for these employers to hire from overseas. All right, so let's see more of the information. The biggest opposition party has welcomed some of the government's ideas, though they criticize plans to lower the qualification hurdles for foreign workers. So the government is also, looking to reduce the requirements for foreign workers. For example, you don't need a university degree. Like before now, having a university degree was like the minimum requirements that you could have. But now they have opened it up, for people that have vocational training to also apply for this skilled worker visa. I mean, this is really good. So under this new law, they have what they call the opportunity card, and this allows foreign workers to move down to Germany without a job offer and be able to look for work for 1 year. So with this new opportunity card, you can move in without a work visa, and then you have 1 year to secure a job, right? And when you secure that job, you now get a work permit. Now, this one is different from the usual job seeker visa, because on this particular visa, meanwhile, I've done a video about the job seeker visa for Germany where you can move, you can travel down to Germany without a job offer, and then you have 6 months to look for a job. When you find a job, you apply for a work permit, and you can't work on the job seeker visa until you change to a work permit. So this opportunity card is different because you can work while on this opportunity card without getting a work permit. You can work for 20 hours, right? So you have that 20 hours probational work, which you can do before you get a work permit, and then you're able to work full time. That is 40 hours, right? So this opportunity card is really amazing. So you can move down, and while looking for like the job of your dreams, you can work for 20 hours, still making money while you're still looking for that job of your dreams. So you can now work in Germany without a work permit. And this opportunity card is going to be a point-based system. I'm going to do another video about this, a full video just for the opportunity card, where I'll be telling you all the requirements, all the documents you need, and all of that. So do watch out for that video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, this may be the perfect time to subscribe, so that when I post that video, you're going to see it. So this opportunity card is also open to refugees in Germany. So everyone that is seeking asylum in Germany can jump on this as well. You're able to now work under this new immigration law. And there is also something really amazing. So if you're in Germany as a tourist, you can now switch from a tourist visa and get employment in the country without having to return to your country. So you can actually go to Germany on a tourist visa, on a Schengen visa, and then find a job and then get a work permit and stay in the country. No longer do you have to go back to your country to apply for a work permit and then return to Germany. So this is really good. Germany is just opening up to be the hottest spot for foreign workers right now, because their immigration laws have been so tough that people have been seeking to go work in other neighboring countries in Europe. And Germany, as a matter of fact, has the biggest economy in Europe. Very big economy, a robust economy. Germany is highly technologically advanced, highly developed. I think it is the most technologically advanced country in Europe, and also the most developed, if I must say, because you know how other countries may have like five cities, five top cities where people can go to find, good jobs. But for Germany, Germany has like 15 cities that you can go work, find very good jobs in those cities, and you are good. All those cities are highly developed, so many job opportunities and all of that. So Germany is like, for me, personally, Germany is my best country in Europe when it has to do with employment opportunities. There are so many jobs in Germany. So I'm really excited about this because more and more of my subscribers can now gain entry into Germany because the requirements have been reduced. You don't need a university degree now. With a vocational training, you can move down to Germany for work. You don't need a job offer. You can go in and even work before you get your work permit. I mean, this is really good news. So do watch out for the next video I'm going to be doing about the full details for this opportunity card. And I'll also be bringing you more news as this develops. This bill was signed just yesterday, and we expect to see more about how this bill is going to be put into action in the coming weeks and months. So more details are going to be released. And trust me to bring you the first-hand information when that happens. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up, that is a like, and also subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do that. Share the video as well so other people can know that Germany is now a country that they can move to. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.